From the DMK working president M.K. Stalin, who is set to celebrate DMK patriarch Karunanidhi's birthday on June 3rd, where he would be turning 93. And here is the political matrix at work, because M.K. Stalin has confirmed that Rahul Gandhi will be attending the event as well. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, his alliance partner Lalu Yadav, CPM General Secretary, and even National Conference Chief Farooq Abdullah have been invited. NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar to attend the event. TMC will also be represented by Derek O'Brien. The occasion is expected to be used for holding talks on the upcoming presidential polls as well. However, M.K. Stalin has denied any political agenda. Well, let me go across to my colleague Akshita, who is joining us at this moment. Akshita, it's really hard to believe when M.K. Stalin says there is no political agenda when he's reaching out to all the other opposition parties as well. And what we do see is stitching off an alliance with the DMK, and that's going to be an interesting mix at the behest of M.K. Stalin, where all these parties will be coming together, interestingly, with the timing of presidential polls being around the corner.
Absolutely. I think the timing, as you pointed out, is exactly what is key here, Devina, because, this comes at a time when the Congress themselves have come forward and said that they plan to bring all political parties together to have some sort of consensus as far as the presidential election is concerned. And this seems to be the perfect opportunity, because the who's who of Indian politics will be coming down here in Chennai on June 3rd for this particular event. There are question marks of whether Karunanidhi himself will be present for this event owing to his health issues. But having said that, the fact that so many political leaders are coming together on one platform definitely does lead to a lot of speculation on whether we will see some sort of coming together. It's not just going to be about, paying tribute to a party veteran like Karunanidhi, to a political veteran like him. There is going to be a lot of speculation on whether post this there will be some alliance that comes together as far as the presidential election is concerned. These are very, very, pertinent questions that were also put forward to M.K. Stalin. He's outrightly denied it, saying that, look, this is nothing more than a birthday bash. There will be no discussion on politics whatsoever. But considering that the Congress has been discussing this for the last few weeks, we've seen some crucial meets with Mamata Banerjee as well. There is bound to be a lot of speculation, because not just are we talking about every political party being represented, it's the head of every political party, Devina, that will be present in Chennai. You've got Rahul Gandhi, Nitish Kumar, Lalu, Sharad Pawar, Farooq Abdullah, you name the biggest political leaders, all of them will be here. And not surprisingly, the BJP will not be present. No invitation has been given to the BJP by M.K. Stalin, who said this earlier, that the BJP is interfering in Tamil Nadu's state of affairs, and hence we will not give them an invitation for this event.
Birthday bash politics in making, no denying there. Akshita, thanks for joining us with those details.